again. So today I'm here with another swatch in review video from Specta Cosmetics, their newest launch matte polishes. Yes guys, Specta finally came out with 6 gorgeous matte shades. I believe they are pretty appropriate for office going purpose, like they're so subtle but so beautiful now. So I recently got like a few shades in the PR, and I thought let's buy the whole collection at once to show you guys the swatches and my thoughts on each of the color. So I ordered rest of the colors from their website, and I also tried their gift packaging service. It's like for 20 rupees you get your polishes in a nice gift wrapped fashion, like a present to yourself. So yeah, here are my thoughts about it. Like, though I love their products absolutely, like I adore their polishes, but I'm not very happy with their gift wrapping service. Like here you can see this is the package I got. Now though the gift wrapping paper is really beautiful, colorful and vibrant, but this is not what I was expecting. They like wrapped it in a bunch of tape, put the receipt on top, and they made it like a normal package. I was expecting more of a double packaging, like in a cardboard box, other box will be there which will be gift wrapped and look like pleasant if I want to gift it to someone. So yeah, I'm not particularly happy with the gift wrapping service, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna ever try it again. But yeah, this is about it. Now let's just open it and see the whole collection at once, what all colors they launched this time. The first shade in the matte collection is Butterfly. It is described as the nude pinkish brown shade. Honestly, it is one of those colors which makes the fingers look like really long and suits the Indian skin tone perfectly. I've applied 2 coats here to get the opacity, and since the formula is so workable, 2 coats don't feel heavy at all. The polishes do dry to touch like under a minute, but it takes a little while for them to turn completely matte. Here I showed you the maximum matte effect that I could achieve before like I proceeded with the next color. Next up in the collection is Girl Crush. This one is described as a nude beige polish. It almost acts like a palette cleanser sort of polish, if you know what I mean. I can't seem to stop comparing it with like Specta's Poster Girl, if you have seen that polish. Whereas Poster Girl is more of a soft pink, Girl Crush leans toward like orangey brown. But both can make like a really good pair. Now besides being a very light shade, I believe it will suit every skin tone beautifully. I just can't wait to use it for some nail art. Some minimal nail art will look really good with this shade. Third polish in the collection is Street Smart, which is described as a nude brown color with yellow undertones. Basically, it is the polish form of their matte lipstick 101 Street Smart, in case you have used it. Now this shade instantly reminds me of like a hot cup of mocha on a winter night sort of thing. Though I'm not a fan of coffee, but I'm definitely a fan of Street Smart. Again, a beautiful color for all skin tones, which gets like opaque in 2 thin coats. The only deep shade in the collection is Meadow. Described as a forest green color, this shade is also the only one having super fine shimmer, making it almost a shimmery matte polish. Although the shimmer is very subtle, but looks gorgeous, just like fireflies in a jungle. Yeah, so it's a very deep, rich color. If applied right, it can be a 1 coater. Though here I have shown 2 coats just to make the whole swatchathon even. This color like is perfect for night parties. Though I believe I won't mind wearing it in daytime as well. Next up in the collection is Lila. Described as a cool toned light grey shade. Now this is the lightest grey polish in my collection. Yes, I'm not even kidding, and I love the matte formula so much that it's gonna be like a more of a unique polish in my collection. It almost look white in certain lights. Now, despite being so light, this polish gives full opacity in just two thin coats, and for some reason, this makes your hand look warmer in comparison. It's perfect for those who don't like a lot of color on their nails but want to keep them polished and well maintained. It's sure a color to catch everyone's eye. Last up from the collection is Smoking, described as a smoky green shade. Now for me, this is more of a dusty sea green shade with bluish undertones, like another shade pretty similar to Specta's Dame Gina, if you have seen that color. Like I can almost call this one a matte version of Dame Gina, but this one like is dustier. Again, a beautiful color to sport in office environment without being too flashy. If I come to think of it, the whole collection gives that put together sophisticated boardroom vibe, which I absolutely love and adore. So yes guys, these were the swatches, review, my thoughts about this newest launch from Specta Cosmetics. Now I really love good matte polishes and these were no exceptions. As I mentioned in the intro, like I adore Specta polishes, right? Now those of you who are not familiar with Specta Cosmetics, then this brand is like made in India, vegan, cruelty free, so this is like one more reason I enjoy their polishes a lot. Now these matte polishes like retail for 150 rupees each polish, and you can get them from Specta's official website. Plus, in case you want to save some money, you can use my code which is flashing right now on the screen. On orders above 500, you can save like 15%. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you have picked up any shade, or if you're planning to pick up any shade, and what are your thoughts about this whole new collection from Specta Cosmetics. Plus, yeah, if you like this video, then give it a huge fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell to stay notified for new content. And yeah, as I always say, maintain social distancing, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you, keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.